Everyone, and welcome to this video. Today we're talking about Samsung ViewFinity S7 Series 4K HD. This is, guys, high resolution monitor with HDR10 multiple port, and this is easy step stand. And with this reference, as you can see here, guys, this is the best features for this Samsung enhanced release through more colors, come with different colors, and this is standing and details HDR10 provided to live color responses with deeper contrast, and this connect more devices for featuring HDMI and DP, and with its USB-A, and you can set up and enhance your productivity with the connectivity that ensures seamless workflow. So, guys, you can relieve your eyes from strain, and this is brightness, color, and temperature automatically optimized for your environment TV. This is the best features, guys, as you can see here on the screen. Come this features with 3840 and 2160 resolution. So, guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content.